This is a video to show the Dependencies toolbar that has been added to the CodeMag toolbar, and as we see, I've got a workbook here with quite a few modules, and there's the CodeMag toolbar with the Dependencies submenu. There are three different forms: one for variables, one for functions, subroutines, and properties, one for modules, classes, and forms. So if I have a look at module 1, you'll see I've got a subroutine called Mike and a variable called C. So I want to see what all of the different dependencies for this variable C are, and as we see here, we have a with statement, so I need to be able to find these elements inside the with statement as well as elements outside of the with statement. So I go into dependencies and variables, and this is module 1, and the function is called Mike. If we had a global function, if we have a global variable, we can choose the top one, but for this we choose Mike. And the variables are all listed with C being there. And so here we have our results, and we can send that to the browser by opening that. And there we have all of the details of what we've looked for and where it's been found, including the end with and the contents of the with statement that includes the use of the variable C. So then if we have another look at this, and I want to see where the subroutine Mike is being used, so I go into functions, subroutines, and properties, and it's in module 1, and we pick Mike, and we generate. And we can open that up in the browser, and we can see that the subroutine Mike is declared in module 1, and it's also used, was called in this sample code one, and we can see that here. There it is. It's being called in sample code. Now I want to see where this class CLS command bar is being used. So I can simply do CLS command bar and open it up in the browser. And there we can see that it's being, in module 1, we do a public declaration of the toolbar, and then we initialize it a couple of times, we call a routine in it, and so if we have a look at this, for example, the variable name is C toolbar, but that is of the data type CLS command bar, so the computer's figured out what that variable is declared as and is searching for that, rather than just a text search. And we have some functions in there, and that's the end.